We are weeks away from the start of the school year, and the largest statewide union for education workers is suing the state of Florida.
Action News Jax Courtney Cole live in East Arlington. And Courtney, this union has a list of steps they are demanding of Governor Ron DeSantis before reopening schools next month.
And there are 9 things that the Florida Education Association says needs to happen before nearly 3 million public school students and 200,000 public school employees return to schools. If not, they fear that the lives of students and teachers, staff, and their families will be sacrificed.
We want to open schools safely. And it also is because we don't want to make the pandemic worse.
That's why Lily Eskelsen, the National Education Association president, supports the Florida Education Association's decision to sue the state.
We should be preparing our lesson plans, getting ready for school. But unfortunately, the reopening of the state of Florida has been reckless.
The union is against the statewide emergency order requiring schools to be open for in-person learning 5 days a week. In this petition, they're calling for 9 changes before students and teachers return to school. They include, but are not limited to, waiting until the number of positive cases is below 10%. According to the Department of Health, right now, it's at 11.8. Giving schools the ability to quickly check temperatures of all students and staff, keeping class sizes small enough for proper social distancing, and the ability to limit the number of students on the school bus.
We want to be in school, but we want to make sure that schools work for kids, that they feed kids, that they have the resources that they need. That requires us to tackle the virus first and foremost.
Now, the FEA they surveyed more than 46,000 of their members and their parents, and the results are telling. The FEA told us that only 5% of educators think that it'll be safe to go back to school in the fall. 39% told the FEA they're considering leaving the profession altogether if their only option is to return back to school for in-person learning. Reporting live in East Arlington, Courtney Cole, CBS 47, Fox 30, Action News Jax.